Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can cut a SOKOTO or a trouser. Here is the measurement I'll be using. So the first thing we want to do now is to draw a line at the edge of the fabric towards the base of the fabric, just to establish a starting point. You know, it is usually rough, so you draw a line, you mark 2 inches at the base, which will be for the folding allowance. Apply this trouser length, which is 38.5. Then you add an additional 2 inches, just like that. So after doing that, we want to apply the crouch measurement. For this person, I'll be using 11. So let me quickly teach you how to calculate that. 11 times, this is the way I do my calculation. 11 times 2 will give me 22. Then you add 6 inches, that's 28. So at the end, I should have a crouch depth of 38 inches. So after that, I want to get the new point. So for the new line, I said in my last video that from your waist to your knee is usually 21 inches conventionally. So you mark 21 inches. So if the person is taller than, or is of a height of around 42 above, you can use 22. So I just marked 7 inches from the base. So that's the line I just drawn now is for the calf measurement. It's kind of going to make the trouser straight. So a straight part. So this one now, I'm marking it 1 inches away from that grid line. So you mark 1 inches away to give the trouser a curvy shape. So at the lap line, I removed 0.5. Then you connect the ankle line rather to the calf, then to the lap. That point is 0.5. I removed 0.5 there. Then you apply the waist measurement, which is 14, that is 28 divided by 2. Then you remove 2.5. So the remaining measurement, you transfer it up like that. I have 11 left. Then you connect the line that way. So after doing that, you mark your new measurement, which is 10 at your ankle, or 8.5 at the calf too. So you connect those two lines together, and with the help of your curve, you can get a perfect curve for your trouser. So just like that, and then use the curve, and then we are just going to trim it off, just like that. So ensure you cut carefully. You cut outside the chalked area. So I'm done with the cutting. The next thing I want to do now is to cut the back panel. So just before I cut the back panel, I want to notch the pocket area where the pocket will be sewn. So what I'm simply going to do, from the waistline, I'm going to I'll measure 2 inches from the waistline, just like that. Then I'll notch at that 2 inches. And from that 2 inches, I'll measure 7 inches and notch again. So that's that. So after that, you're going to place the fabric. You ensure you place it, you make it very straight before you start, and then you extend those lines. That's the line we are going to be working with. So first thing we want to do is to measure 3 inches that way, 2.5 like that. Then you connect it that way. Then from your new distance, 3 inches from your lap, 2.5 there, another 2.5, 2.5, and then you connect just like that. You can see the way I'm doing it, no stress at all. If you don't have a curve like this, you can use your free hand or use your table. Then use your master curve to get an accurate curve like that. So after doing that, you are going to cut it out like that. You can see it's very simple and straightforward. This type of trouser is super comfortable. You don't have to worry about the trouser tearing at the lap or the crouch line. So it's super comfortable. So the next thing we want to do now is to cut the pockets. So as for the pockets, you fold your fabric and then you mark 7.5 by 14.5. So just like that, the fabric this fabric is folded into two. So I'm cutting the right side and the left side at the same time. So after that, I want to cut the rope. So that is all. Thank you for watching. Please kindly like, share and comment. Love you.